The Bong Festival, one of Hong Kong's most colorful cultural celebration events, came back to Changchou, a small island south of Hong Kong, after 3 years of hiatus due to the COVID-19 pandemic. This year, the 5-day festival concluded on Saturday last week. A large number of visitors watched the Music Parade, one of the festival's highlights. Other activities included lion dances, opera performances, and a bong scrambling competition. It is said that the festival originated from the tradition of islanders dressing up as gods and going out to drive away ghosts and spirits. Over time, this practice has evolved into children dressing up as gods or ancient and modern figures, standing on a bracket about 2 meters high and parading along the street.
其實我哋咧就呢個搶包山同呢個飄色咧，就係我哋長洲嘅一個特色，一個傳統嘅習俗。所有長洲人咧都參與，小童啊、老人家啊都有做呢啲嘢。以往咧就唔同㗎啦，以往咧就好多人爬上去，而家咧就為咗安全嘅問題，大家要用一條安全帶啊、安全繩啊上去嘅，只係行到12人去。
包山在香港就是一个很特别的活动，我也想要参与一下，因为它只有3分钟，所以我们会一开始就是尽量往最高的地方爬，因为最高的包子是最高分，9分就是最高分，然后中间是3分，最低是1分。希望更多人知道，不仅是只有香港的市民知道，可能是让世界各地的人都知道，越多人留意到这个活动的时候，那个活动我觉得都可以传承下去。
The annual festival has been on China's national list of intangible cultural heritage since 2011.